Hello everyone, here I am trying to simulate a line following robot concept. Before we can start, let's put a dot on the ball so that you can see the ball, which is our robot, is moving in which direction and how it is turning. You can see the logic, like in the both side wall I have two different logic. Left side wall, if it touch then it will turn right and vice versa. And as per the logic it's trying to move, and you can see the forward movement, the angle of rotation, everything tuned such a way that it will it will stay in middle of the two line, but somehow it's not working, so I have to fine tune further. But I hope I am able to explain the concept. So let me put it back, and yeah, let me set the initial position from where it started messing up. With that, yeah, and then let me try. So it was not showing the reached goal position. Let me retry now, and it reached. Hope I am able to explain the idea. Thank you so much.